Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close a position right here on HFM. So first we will create a order, and then after that immediately I close the trade. So we go to new order. This doesn't matter because I'm using a demo account, but we want to do this on 3 and then we click now on buy. So now we created ourselves a position right here on HFM. Then from now we scroll down and I'm searching right here for the latest trade that I created. And if I want to close this, I can click right here on the cross and then I close the trade immediately. So be careful when you click right there on the cross because I just enabled the one-click trading. But if you're doing this for the first time, you will get a pop-up notification where they are asking if you want to, that they're telling you to be aware that you are one click away from closing that trade. When you click that on the checkbox and then accept it, then after that you do on one-click trading and then he will close the trade out, or not automatically, but directly when you click there on the cross. So this is exactly how you can close a position right here on HFM. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.